Are your eyelids starting to droop, feeling a little heavier than they used to? Or does it feel like your eyes just don't pop like they used to, losing that sparkle and vibrancy you remember? Well, you're definitely not alone in experiencing these changes. It's a common concern and many women share this feeling. Hooded eyelids are super common as we get older. It's a natural part of the aging process that affects many of us. But guess what? There's absolutely no need to feel discouraged. With a few easy makeup tricks, specifically tailored for hooded eyes, you can give your eyes a fresher, more lifted look, a youthful radiance that will brighten your whole face. No surgery, no fuss, just simple, effective techniques you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's start with the basics, the essential steps that will form the foundation of your lifted eye look. Grab a matte eyeshadow, avoiding shimmers for this first step. That's just a touch darker than your natural skin tone. This will add subtle definition and depth. Now, instead of applying it right in your crease, the natural fold of your eyelid, which with hooded eyes, you might not even see anymore, or it might be less defined, brush it just above where your crease used to be. This is key to creating the illusion of a more open eye. This little trick creates the illusion of a higher lid, visually lifting the hooded area, and instantly opens up your eyes, making them appear larger and more alert. Next up, it's time to bring out the brightness and add a touch of luminosity. Take a lighter shimmer in a champagne or vanilla shade, or even a soft highlighter, something with a subtle sheen, and dab a bit right under the arch of your brow. This area is also known as the brow bone. Trust me, this simple step lifts the whole eye area, catching the light and drawing attention upwards, and makes you look more awake, more refreshed, and more vibrant. It's like an instant eye lift, a subtle but powerful transformation, but with just a swipe of color. It's amazing what a little highlight can do. Now let's talk eyeliner, a staple in many makeup routines. I know a bold line might have been your go-to for years, a classic look that you've always loved, but heavy eyeliner on the top lid, especially with hooded eyes, can actually make hooded eyes look smaller and even a bit weighed down. Instead, try a thin line right along your upper lashes, as close to the lash line as possible. Or for a softer look, perfect for everyday wear, use a dark eyeshadow with a gentle brush, like an angled brush, to create a smudged line. This gives definition, enhancing the shape of your eyes without weighing your eyes down. It's all about finding the right balance. And here's a bonus tip that really works wonders. A simple step that can make a huge difference. Curl your lashes, giving them a beautiful upward sweep, and add a coat of mascara. This will amplify the effect of the curled lashes. Even if you've never been a mascara person before, or haven't used it in years, this quick step helps your eyes open up, making them look wider and more expressive, and gives them a gentle, youthful lift. It's like a mini eye makeover. Remember, makeup is about enhancing what you already have, celebrating your unique features, not hiding it. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Hooded eyelids are a beautiful, natural part of getting older, a sign of a life well lived, and with these smart tricks, you can celebrate them. Embrace your natural beauty, while still feeling confident and bright-eyed. It's about enhancing your natural radiance. So, next time you're in front of the mirror, getting ready for the day, give these hacks a try. Experiment and see what works best for you. You don't need fancy products, expensive brands, or a professional makeup artist. You can achieve amazing results right at home. Just a little know-how, a few simple techniques, and you'll see a real difference, instantly. A brighter, more lifted, and more confident you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. And remember, your eyes are meant to be seen, to sparkle, and to express your inner beauty. Let's let them shine. Embrace your beauty and let your eyes light up the world.